Everybody, what's going on? Alan here again with another repair on the Sable again. We're gonna do the alternator. This heat is a notorious killer for your electronics and your battery, especially. We had to get a new battery and we had the alternator tested after that. That one's bad too. It was just 2 years ago he did both. You know, I don't know, these things happen, I guess. But we're going to show you how I do it. It doesn't look like too big of a job. It's sitting right up front, so let's get on it. Yeah, it's like 100-degree weather out here on top of working on a hot engine. So this is going to be super fun. And the first thing we do, unplug the live power there to the back of the alternator so we don't accidentally arc stuff off. Move this 13. Gotta say, I like the bungee cord idea. I just hook it on the belt and wrap it around over here somewhere. There we go. I'll hook a 15 mil on this tensioner down here. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, that's hot. Okay. Alright, it's hooked on the tensioner and we're gonna pull towards the front of the car. They do have tools you can get from AutoZone. Serpentine belt tool. That was fun. Okay, well, it didn't fall off anything down below anyway. We're good. Let the tensioner back. 15 on this one here. Okay, that's loose. And there's, what is that? That's a 13. Someone really put the beans on that one. Ooh, that's warm. Okay, we're running into this little hose here. But actually, are we? Let's see if it's really even in the way. It is still in there a little bit. Nope. Still in there. No luck. Okay, looks like I didn't get as lucky as the other guy, and I'm not willing to risk snapping anything. So it's just two 10 mil bolts holding it in. Okay, I think it's just two. There's going to be one right here, and one right there. There we go. That allowed me to get it over. There's still a big bottom hose connected to it, and I'm not going to mess with that. Now we can get this alternator out. Oh, it's on fire. Alright, we're fitting there. Ow, that's my finger. Ow, that's friggin' hot. Let's see if we can slide this in. There we go. I'm gonna put this coolant bottle back and get me back my hand space. Slide in this. It's probably one of the easiest alternators I've done. It's not too difficult, guys. We'll tighten this one up before we tighten the other alternator bolt. And we'll reach down in here and grab this tensioner again. Okay, put this bolt back in for the coolant. Get that all back together. Bolt here, 10 mil nut over here. 2 hoses. Tighten those up. Now we gotta hook up the electricals. That one's boom. Okay, we got a good nut there. Oh, I'm gonna have to go fishing for that guy. Okay, we've got the coolant bottle hooked up, tightened up, hose clamps on, alternator's tight, belts on. Just need to hook up the power. Alright, let's start it up and see if we got a battery light. Okay. No battery light, awesome. And that's it, that's how you do it, pretty simple. But just take care of yourself, guys. It's hot out here, man. Drink fluids. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, all that stuff. And until next time, peace.